Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Robert Fowler, the Portmore base mechanic, who was charged with the gruesome murder of 20-year-old Khanice Jackson in St. Catherine, has requested bail and has signaled his intention on the application on behalf of his bail in May.
Man, a deep roads, man. A whole junker there. Fly them sitting here, fly. Yeah. Deep roads.
Greetings in the name of the Most High, Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. You know I'm Rastafari soldier. Bless, no curse. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in to Deep Roots TV. And if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you to subscribe to the channel, become a part of the Rastaman panel. Ladies and gentlemen, the gruesome death of Khanice Jackson in Portmore was a groundbreaking moment, a heartbreaking situation for the entire Jamaica and the Caribbean. Right now, it's a shocking moment to me, and I'm going to talk extensively about this, that the punitive, the court system in Jamaica is broken. The murderer of the Portmore, accountant, Khanice Jackson, the Portmore base mechanic, Robert Fowler, has signaled his intention to have bail application made on his behalf in May. The disclosure was made by Fowler's attorney, Althea Freeman. Ladies and gentlemen, when this matter was heard in the Home Supreme Court Wednesday, a lot of people were shocked of the gall that the recent murder, not even a full year now, the murderer is requesting bail. Ladies and gentlemen, prosecutors disclosed at the court proceeding that next Friday, the defense is to be served with the report from the Jamaican Constable Force, Communication and Forensic Cybercrime Division that has been outstanding. Fowler, otherwise called Baraka, was remanded by police and by the High Court Judge, Justice Ann-Marie Lawrence Grainger, until May 25. People, if you are shocked of the news, I am also shocked and disgusted, because Jackson, an account clerk who reside in the independent city of Portmore, went missing just March 24th of 2021 after leaving for work. Her body was found 2 days later at the Dyke Road in the vicinity of Portmore Fishing Village. A postmortem examination shows that Jackson was strangled, people. Fowler was taken into custody just hours after her body was found. So that means the police them have a reason for take her in. Early on in the year of last year, I made a report, and I have a few clippings here of that report, ladies and gentlemen. Astonishing, but true.
Such an important role in society.
Take a look.
Men, if you cannot take bond, you might don't want to get no relationship, because that is a part of learning in life. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a shame that so many Jamaican women, so many island women are losing their lives, and the punitive system, the judicial system in Jamaica have no death penalty. It's 2021, ladies and gentlemen, and all first world and civil society have some kind of punitive.
Now, developments, ladies and gentlemen, did occur because the courts have much evidence against this guy. According to the Deputy of Police Commissioner Fitzbailey, the mechanic was taken into custody because he knew the deceased and that he often transported Khanice Jackson to and from work, ladies and gentlemen. Unfortunately, he could not take the rejection of this young woman. According to the police during the investigation, they recovered numbers of items belonging to Khanice at Robert Fowler's home. Handbag, bank cards. Now, detectives were reported to have also found evidence suggesting that Khanice was sexually molested before she was killed. Now, having this gruesome murder occur in Portmore, which is not the first time, it is time that we put in a death penalty in a Jamaica, my family. A time for we label these people as sex offender and create a database for these people. Cause me innocent people them in a Jamaica appear dearly because of the systematic injustice that is being handed out. Now here is a young woman, 20-year-old, that has been totally, ultimately violated. After she has been violated, then less than a year later, the accused and charged and convicted molester and murderer has placed in an application. And you're going to hear top authorities and lawyers use legal talks because of his constitutional right and disregard the Constitution and the human rights of the victim, Khanice Jackson, and her family and friends, home and at work and abroad. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a disrespect and a slap in the face to all law-abiding citizens in Jamaica. The murderer of Khanice Jackson, the accountant in the corporate area there, who was murdered and body was dumped in the Dyke Road area there in the vicinity of the Portmore fishing village. The murderer, Robert Fowler, has the gall to actually file for bail through his lawyer. And this is a big statement that I'm going to make. This is a total criminal country. This is a total criminal faction. The Prime Minister has dubbed himself as Bro God. That sounds like a gang leader and has violated the people's human rights, and the population of Jamaica has no choice because the crime that has been plaguing the people is not going to stop until we put in a death penalty, Mr. Prime Minister. We are not going to have any cease and desist of the violence that is plaguing our youths, Mr. Commissioner, until we show the criminals them that we are serious. We don't give rapist, kidnapper, and murderer bail application less than a year after being convicted. People, I am burning hot. This is what is allowing the youths them of today to conjure up evil because they see that they can get away with it. The legal system in my island of Jamaica is a folly. It's a farce. It's a joke. Them take people for fool, ladies and gentlemen. Them take with the idiot. Like Khanice tell us all. A Babylon a invent crime. Here we have a young lady just blossoming. And you have this hard, great tone man who can't control himself. A little girl a go to work. A good work. Accounting work. That means she have brains. And the boy come snatch her life and violate her because she don't want to give him no wife. And now, the audacity, the disrespect, the slap in the face, the judicial system want to give a criminal like this, Robert Fowler, that murder young Khanice Jackson, and violate her because they said, investigators said, there are evidence that she was raped. All them thing there. Evidence, was she raped or wasn't she raped? Because it's obvious. If his DNA is in her or on her, the nasty bastard tried to pleasure himself before he killed her, or did that, and that's why he killed her, because she knew him and would have told he violated her. Ladies and gentlemen, these kind of things get me so perturbed. Yeah, I Rastaman word that perturb for the day. And I mean invent it, but I'm telling you, these kind of situation get me so perturbed to the level I'm burning. You are going to Robert Fowler. The judicial system should deny your application for bail. And the youths them in a jail should give you an application to make you win, because as a Jamaican man, you destroy lives. You fail. You are gone tea. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yeah, if it's your first time coming to the channel, leave your comment. Let me know what you think Jamaica can do to decrease the gruesome violence against women, children, elderlies, and men. We are competing for Crime of the Year every year. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm ashamed of those statistics. #1 murder capital of the world. #1 violence against women of the world. Human rights violation. And we say one love. What love is that? A more life and a more joy and a more happiness. See me family here.
And a deep roots, man. A whole junker there. Fly them sitting here fly. Yeah. Deep roots.